So you got 7 amps a leg on a 240 volt motor, and now we're going to turn the unit on, and it goes down to 1.5 amps per leg. Okay, that's one major thing. Okay, we'll shut it off. Now we'll come over here just so you can see both phases. It's rolling 13 amps. Okay. And it goes down to 3 amps. Okay. We'll shut it off again. Now we're going to go look at kilowatts. It's a 57 kilowatts. Put the unit off. Turn the unit on. Goes down to 46. About 20%. Okay. Shut it off. Power factor is a 17. Come up to around 58 in the power factor. Okay. Now, keep in mind, I'm going to show how much the unit draws. Actual current per leg. Okay. 8 amps per leg. So you got 8 amps here for the unit. You got 7 amps on the running motor, and when you turn the unit on, it gets 2. And basically your savings, if you calculate it out, you got at least a 20% savings. And this is just for one motor. Now you have to look at it in the whole house. Okay. This is a model 120-1, and the inside looks like this. The epoxy helps get the noise out to the ground system. That's why it's in there. It's not just for looks. That's our basic power unit.